Greetings to my V family all over the world, especially the watch lovers. Alright, and this is an unboxing episode where I am going to show you the 3 most beautiful watches under the most amazing brand name Bernhard H Swiss made, which we are launching on the 10th of July. And I personally wanted to make this video because I was involved personally with my brother, the one and only JR Meyer, in designing this watch with our Swiss experts in Switzerland, Simier. And these watches, guys, we are simply raising the bar higher. So, alright, we have 3 pieces. We are going to do it like that so we know what. Oh, I saved my favorite for the last one. Alright, so first, I'm going to unbox this amazing watch, which is a chronograph, which simply means it comes with a facility or the aspect of a stopwatch. Okay, so here you go, the Bernhard H box, beautiful. All right, your manual, which you will need to understand how to look after your watch. It comes in every Bernhard H box. Your beautiful warranty card, all right, which guarantees your watch. All right, and the name of this series is PowerMaster. I love it because it talks about, max out. Alright, and here you have a beautiful cloth to clean your watch. So don't use a rough cloth, use the cloth provided by Bernhard H which is created to clean your watch. The box, beautifully crafted. Alright, look at this. This is what I call a sexy watch box. We put this box here and ta-da! I'm opening it up and introducing the first piece of PowerMaster, which is a quartz, which means it's battery operated, which is a chronograph. All right, it's black and steel, as you can see. This is beautiful. It's covered, obviously protected by plastic. I'm going to remove it because this is my piece. Thank you, QNET, for all the watches I get. It's a moving bezel, which a lot of people don't understand why. That if you want to do something for 10 minutes, you move the arrow to the minute hand and you wait for it to go to 10, then 10 minutes. It's like a built-in stopwatch. And then you have a chronograph. Now this is a steel watch, which is brushed steel, so it's a bit rough, the feeling, very sporty. And the most exciting thing that we have created, and I'm going to remove this plastic if I can. Alright, the most exciting thing about this watch is the new buckle technology, alright, which has been created, which simply means that you have this buckle which looks like a regular watch. You put in this, you fix the length of your hand. My hand is quite small, alright, because muscular but small, because I've been doing a lot. This is the unique new buckle for the PowerMaster, which means from the outside it looks like a regular watch where you put in and fold it, but it comes with a butterfly clasp, alright, which is beautiful, fits perfect into your hand. So you put the watch in and you just connect it like you usually do with a butterfly, but when you put on your watch, it looks like you have a buckle here. Alright, this is beautiful. No other watch has this system. Alright, so this is the first one, which is a chronograph, 1500 BV, beautiful, not automatic quartz, but 100% Swiss made, with the chronograph buttons up here and down here, start, stop, reset. Okay, so that's the first piece, which I'm going to leave here so you can see it. And now comes the automatic, which is 3000 BV, certificate, cloth, quick guide, your manual beautifully made, and ta-da! You open up the box again, beautiful Bernhard H box, and here you have it. This is my favorite blue. It's like a magic blue, guys. Okay, it's dark, it's very masculine, but ladies, you can also wear these watches. Many women today wear bigger watches. This is an automatic, so no battery. You wind it, you use it, the spring tightens. This is blue, steel finish, but automatic, 3000 BV, beautiful. This is I'm going to wear today. It's amazing. Alright, it also has the bezel, which moves one way to fix your 10-minute, 15-minute, whatever you want to do, like a presentation. It also has the same mechanism, which is the butterfly. Alright, okay, so you can easily put it on and you connect it here according to the length you want. This is a beautiful blue steel. Alright, it's just amazing, guys. The blue, I hope you can see it as clearly as I can. It's rubber. Alright, so you can use it sporty. So this is the blue one. And now comes the most beautiful watch that JR and I created. And this unboxing is emotional. I haven't seen the finished product. Bernhard H. Okay, there's no space on my table. You have the warranty. Remember the cloth to wipe and clean your watch. You have the manual. And here it is, guys. What you've been waiting for. The most sexiest color a watch can ever have. Green. Alright, and here you have, alright, a Bernhard H. classic. Look at this. Rose gold body. Alright, green, which is the most magnificent color for a watch. Alright, the buckle is also rose gold. Same concept. Alright, butterfly. Okay, and look at this. Look at this on my hand. Alright, guys, look at how beautiful it looks. A rose gold, automatic. Also the bezel is green, which you can move. Alright, the bezel can be moved for you to set your timer. And guys, this is Swiss excellence. Look at the finish, the brushed gold, the crown. Alright, is one of the best crowns, and the crown is what you unscrew to change the time. And this crown quality is one of the highest of Swiss watches. And this green is simply going to blow your mind. 3000 BV, alright, 3000 BV. You can either go green, rose gold, or blue and steel. Chronograph quartz, 1500 BV. All these watches, guys, wherever you are in the world, this is your chief. Most excited about unboxing watches. 3000 BV, 3000 BV, 1500 BV. Even if you have bought watches before from Bernhard H. it is time for you to own the sexiest watch, designed none other than your Chief Pathman Senatiraja and the one and only JR Meyer. We are proud of this. This is part of our sports collection named powerfully PowerMaster. This is what I call a max out watch. So wherever you are in the world, go on to QNET.net, go to the e-store and make sure you buy these watches. All your new prospects, the best watches ever in the watch industry, and the biggest, most powerful network marketing company, QNET. This is your chief bringing you the most beautiful timepieces all the way from Switzerland. So get your PowerMaster now.